Public companies just hit a combined 1 million Bitcoin held, worth around $111 billion at the time of recording. But people don't really seem to realize how absurd this is because it crept up on us so quickly. Remember, we're only talking about publicly listed companies, and they now hold 5.1% of Bitcoin's total 21 million supply. I talk about Bitcoin treasury companies most days on the show, and I even advise one, but this milestone crept up on me too. Now, of course, when you break this down, Strategy does account for over 60% with 635,505 BTC. But you've got to remember that Strategy started buying back in August 2020, so they've had quite a long time to develop this lead. And then the second biggest public holder of Bitcoin is Mara, and they've been mining Bitcoin for years, so they also had a decent head start. But the real reason this milestone is catching many people off guard is the remaining 3,000 odd BTC. Almost the entirety of the rest of the top 100 public Bitcoin holders, save for a few, started buying Bitcoin within the last 18 months. Even the Japanese firm Metaplanet, which has been very much the darling of Bitcoin treasury companies, outside of maybe Strategy, only started buying Bitcoin for the first time in April last year. Just look how quickly the amount of BTC held by public companies ramps up in 2025. In the 9 months we've had of this year, it has doubled the accumulation of every previous year. And crazier still, public companies aren't even the top dog when it comes to which entities hold the most Bitcoin. That title goes to exchanges and ETFs, which hold nearly 1.5 million BTC at the time of recording. But with public companies taking such large positions in Bitcoin, the big questions now revolve around the next bear market. Will most of these treasury companies ride out the next bear market as Saylor did with Strategy after the collapse of FTX, and he came under a lot of fire for it? Or will they sell into it, causing any crash to be significantly worse? Or of course, there's what's sitting behind door 3. The treasury companies themselves turn out to be the black swan that caused the crash. What do you think?